I don't think I can hang on much longer. Are you sure you know exactly what to do?
Yes, oh, trust me, Master.
Everything is going perfectly. I love it when a plan comes together.
Master, I think it's happening.
I can feel it. Oh, I can't hold on much longer. I'll be back.
Don't worry, oh, distant one. We'll have you back in no time.
Several hours later. Strong decaf. Hi.
Hello? What can I get ya?
You got any cappuccino?
I can blow into it through a straw if you like.
Forget I asked. Hi.
Hello? What can I get ya?
A really good shrink. This game is doing my head in.
Have a cup of decaf and relax instead.
I'll save it for later. Hi.
Hello? What can I get ya?
Nothing. I'd really like to know a bit about this place.
Like what?